Hey everyone, it's Mike again. Today we're going to talk about one of the most common questions that I get, which is filament brittle? The answer is that yes, it's more brittle than your typical PLA because it has an enormous metal content, but it's not nearly as brittle as it was a year and a half, year ago, 2 years ago. More recently, we've made huge advancements in the technology itself, our PLA compliant binder, and the manufacturing process itself. I'm going to go ahead and give you a couple examples here. All right, so here we have two examples. This material is about a month old. This material is about 7 months old. This material is newer, and I said much more flexible than it has been in the past, to the point where you can nearly tie it in a knot. This is 7-month-old material that has not been stored or conditioned properly and is quite a bit more flexible than the new stuff. In the instance that you have this material, you can go ahead and put it through a Filawarmer and make it just as flexible as the material I just showed you a second ago. But even with this being older, you can still see it's quite flexible. All right, now that I've shown you the difference between material that's just a month or two old and material that's 7 months old, I'll go ahead and show you how you can continue to use that 7-month-old material and even much older without a problem. And that comes in the form of a Filawarmer, which is what I have in my hand here. The idea behind the Filawarmer is that it'll actually warm the material up just a little bit in order to make it flexible by a process through annealing, called annealing. What you want to do is you want to take your filament, take your warmer, go ahead and install it so it's actually inside of the spool. And as the material comes off the spool, you want it to go directly into the warmer before it has the chance to straighten out. What happens is that the little element in here will warm the material up and make it flexible again. So thank you very much. I appreciate it, and like, comment, share. Let me know if you have any questions.